Hop into the 2018 Honda Accord. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's the Honda Accord, the iconic midsize sedan that sets the standard for others to follow. Its bold, powerful performance, comfortable ride, elegance of design, and state-of-the-art technology make it the clear choice. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, proximity key entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, wood grain interior trim. Feel what it's like to drive a sweet dream come true. Test drive the Honda Accord.